a little video on how to personalize your 8-layer heart design. So first and foremost, obviously you download your files. In this case I've downloaded them to my desktop. Open up your files, and in this case I'm going to show the silhouette. So I'm going to go looking for the Studio 3 DXF files that are here. So you can see there, it's labeled up as Studio 3. So these are the files you want to bring directly into Silhouette. So if you have Silhouette open on your desktop, you can just double click on this and it should open it up inside your Silhouette program. So you can see here it's already starting to load. It takes a couple of seconds, and you can see here we go. This is the files opened in Silhouette. So in the file itself you have all the layers, including the blank layer, which you will use for the personalization. In there is also the Be My Valentine layer, so that comes with it as well. So what you want to do is just to take these layers, pull them to one side, put the blank layer for the personalization into your workspace. Obviously make your workspace a little bit bigger so as you can see what you're doing, and then move down to your lettering. So all your lettering and your numbers are here, and there's one of each letter, one of each number. So if you need more than one, so for example in this case I'm going to do Wendy and Jer, so I need 2 E's, so you just copy one of those. So I'm going to set this up. So start off with the W. What I try to do is line them up with the bottom of one of the lines so that it's easy to see that they are in alignment. You can also see the snap to grid helps. That's Wendy. I'm going to need 2 E's, so I'm going to do Control C and Control V, which will give me the copy of the E. So I'll use that for the Jer. So W-E-N and a D and Y. So that there is Wendy set up. Oops, there we go. Then the and is here. So again, we just drag the and up and again line it up with the base of that line. And then we go for capital G, in myself, E, and or as well. Then when they're all lined up, make sure your spacing looks right so that it all looks aligned and spaced correctly, and then add in heart here just to give it that little bit extra. So at this stage you can now pull your mouse across all of those, and if you want you can use your group, which is up here, and this is your group tool, so you can group all these together. So it means that you can move them around then on the page wherever you want. And in this case we're going to line it up with the center of the heart, just about there. And so that's aligned. Now what we need to do is we need to make the compound path so it'll cut out of the page. So you just pull over all of those items with your mouse, select them all, and then if you right click and scroll down you'll see Make Compound Path. If you make Compound Path, it welds them into the actual image and creates the cutting path for them. So now you can literally send that to your print, and your Silhouette will identify the cut lines, and you can set up your print then just for printing on your machine. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know and give us a message, and if we can do anything more to help you with this, we will. Okay, thanks very much, and we'll talk to you again soon.